In this lesson, we're going to learn about domain and range. So domain always relates to the x values, and the range always relates to the y values. So if it asks us for the domain, we need to find the x values, which are always the first numbers in ordered pairs. Okay, so our domain would be 2, 4, 3, 6, and 2. And our range would be the y values. So our range would be -3, 6, -1, 6, and 3. All right? So again, here's our table. X and y pairs asks for the domain. So that would be these values right here. So we have -6, 1, and 6. Asks for the range. So that's my y values. So we have 2, 2, and 2. However, we do not need to write this 2 more than once. You can just write 2. All right, moving on to a graph. So asks for the domain. So what's right in these points? So this would be -4, 1, -2, 2, 0, -1, 1, 3, and 3, 1. All right, so if we were finding our domain, then we want the x values. So -4, -2, 0, 1, and 3. So we'll go ahead and write that over here. -4, -2, 0, 1, and 3. All right, it asks for the range. So those would be my y values. So our range would be 1, 2, -1, 3, and 1. All right, so example number 4 says circle ordered pairs that will create a relation with a domain of 1, 2, and 3. So that means we're looking for where the x values are 1, 2, and 3. So let's see. 1, 1, yes. Let's see. 4, 4, no. 3, 3, yes. 7, 7, no. -1, -1, no. 2, 2, yes. So the ordered pairs that create a relation with a domain of 1, 2, and 3 are 1, -3, 3, 7, and 2, -7. So now let's look at it on a graph. So again, for the domain, we're going to look at our x values. So we're going to go from left to right, and I'm going to start where the function starts. Starts right there at -4. And it stops right here at 2. So our domain is -4 to 2. It can also be written like this. All right, so now let's look at our range. So our range, we're looking at the y values, which are up and down. So we're going to start where the function starts, and that starts at -4. And then we're going to go until the function stops, which is at the top. So we're creating this box in order to find our domain and range. And that stops at 5. So our range is -4 to 5. And then again, it can be written like this.